Namaste, sir. Today I am going to give a short presentation about the topic on chi-square test. So, what is chi-square test? A statistical test to determine if there is a significant association between categorical variables. It helps to assess how well observed data fit a hypothesized distribution, compares observed frequencies to expected frequencies under the null hypothesis. Then use of chi-square test. First one is test if two categorical variables are independent, test of association, chi-square test for goodness of fit, and third one is to test population variance. Then chi-square formula, chi-square is equal to summation O minus E को whole square by E, where O is equal to observed frequency and E is equal to expected frequency. Then step 2 performs chi-square test. State the null and alternative hypothesis, calculate expected frequencies, compute the chi-square statistic, determine degrees of freedom, find the critical value from chi-square table, compare the statistic to critical value to accept or reject null hypothesis. Then test of association, independence of attributes. Example overview: observed and expected frequency were calculated, chi-square value computed and compared with the table value, and conclusion drawn based on comparison. Then question number 1: this survey was conducted with a sample of 300 Nepali adults across diverse regions, including both urban municipalities and rural communities. Participants were categorized by their level of education, ranging from middle school to PhD, and by marital status: unmarried, married, divorced, and widowed. Then level qualification: marital status unmarried, middle school 18, high school 36, bachelor's 21, master's 9, PhD 6, total 90, and so on. Then main inquiry is there a statistically significant relationship between educational qualification and marital status among the adult population in Nepal. Alpha is equal to 5 of level of significance. Then step 1, null hypothesis. There is no relationship association between marital status and level of qualification. It means level of qualification does not depend upon the marital status. Then step 2, alternative hypothesis. Yes, so there is a relationship association between marital and level of qualification. It means level of qualification depends upon the marital status. Then step 3, test statistics. Under Yaso, the chi-square statistic is chi-square calculated is equal to summation O minus E to the power 2 by E, where E is equal to expected frequency is equal to RT by CT upon N, where RT is equal to row total, CT is equal to column total, and N is equal to total number of observation. Here calculation of chi-square, calculation of expected frequency, marital status, middle school, high school, bachelor's, master's, PhD, here shown unmarried, married, divorced, and widowed. Then here is chi-square table. So calculation of chi-square is equal to summation O minus E by square by E, hence chi-square calculated 23.5 is answer. Then step 4, degrees of freedom. DF is equal to R minus 1, C minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 multiply 5 minus 1, that means 3 by 4 is equal to 12. Then step 5, level of significance. Alpha is equal to 5%. Step 6, critical value. The tabulated value of chi-square, that is tab at 5% level of significance for 12 DF is 21.026. So step 7, decision. Since chi-square calculated is greater than chi-square tab at 5% level of significance for 2 DF, so null hypothesis is rejected. Hence there is relationship between association between level of qualification and marital status. So test of goodness of fit. Context: Suppose a teacher believes that students have equal preference for our 4 types of assessment: MCQ, short answer, long answer, and practical. Then null hypothesis: preference are equally distributed across assessment type. Alternative hypothesis: yes, one preference are not equally distributed. If the test shows significance, the teacher may change teaching or assessment strategies accordingly. So here is table. Then application of chi-square test, market research, consumer preference, genetic inheritance patterns, social science, survey data, quality control and action. So here conclusion, chi-square test helps evaluate relationship between categorical variables and essential in hypothesis testing and widely used in various fields. Okay, thank you.